Welcome back to Between Two Phones with Kiara McPhee. So Kiara, generative plus predictive AI is the future. This sounds really exciting. I could just turn on the AI, figure out when the perfect send time and the perfect product at the perfect moment, the perfect copy is, and then turn it off and stop paying for it, and I'm set.
I think everything except the last point, and here's why. So we are not really trying to figure out how to send the best message that's going to work indefinitely. What we're more interested in doing is figuring out how we can continuously improve your messages over time. So a concrete example of this, 4th of July. You could have the perfect text for this current 4th of July, but that does not mean it's going to be the perfect text for next, because there are a million different things that are going to happen between now and then, both in the lives of the consumers that you're going after, as well as within the context of your brand. And you want to make sure that you are, again, continuously optimizing, taking that data into account, and iteratively improving your messages over time.
This 4th of July perfect text you mentioned, could you share it with our audience in case someone has an e-com side hustle that they want to use it for?
Oh, I was just sharing that as a concrete example. Do you have a side hustle?
I do, actually. Protein tortillas. Tortillas!
Is this an ad?
Wrap up your gains with tortillas, the protein-packed tortilla alternative that packs a fiesta punch in every single bite. You know what I hate? When ChatGPT writes me an ad for tortillas and it just misses the brand voice entirely.
Well, capturing brand voice is absolutely a prerequisite of any generative AI tool in MarTech now, and those tools need to be able to do it at scale.
Well, I agree. Tell that to ChatGPT. Oh, I wouldn't. We've had some issues with the FDA. That's actually the floor model. Stay tuned for more Between Two Phones. Let's get you to urgent care.